to start cooking Buddha's Delight. Yay!
Wait for a second for the pan to slowly heat up. And then I'm going to put in the, I've used the peanut oil to cook this. This is a peanut oil from Chinese market. It's made with 100% peanuts. So it has this like really nice golden color. And if you open it, it smells like peanut butter. And it also have very high smoking point, so it's good for stir fry. And I'm using a generous amount of oil here because we're making a vegetarian dish. So the pan is heated. I'm going to start with the aromatic, the green onion, and the ginger. It just infuse the oil and it gives this dish a really nice fragrance. So I just lightly toast those, and then you start with the ingredients that will take the longest to cook. Here I have carrot, little flowers, and mushrooms. So I just added the bamboo shoot, the wooden mushrooms, and now it's the fried tofu. And now I'm gonna pour in the sauce. The sauce is a really nice brown sauce made with soy sauce, oyster sauce, some sugar, a little bit pinch of salt, and sesame oil. Very tasty. Baby bok here.
That looks so good.
This part is a little bit like a stew. Because these are two vegetables that take a minute to cook through. So here I'm going to cover up. It takes like 3 minutes to steam them.
So, most people eat this at Lunar New Year because they feel like eating a Buddhist meal or a meal without any meat products, without killing any animals, is a good way to start the year. Like, it's very auspicious.
So now the vegetables are a little bit al dente, but mostly cooked. And I will add the bean noodles. This will be adding a tender texture, plus they will soak up the sauce. It's going to be very tasty here. I'm going to cook this for like a little bit, and then you'll see there's still quite a lot of liquid left. That's why I'm using a cornstarch slurry.
Okay.
So this is very commonly used in Chinese cooking, just to thicken up the sauce, to make it like a little bit glossy, that will thicken up really nicely.
All right, so it's all done. It smells so good. I wish people could try it, but now I get to try it. Okay, Maggie, serve it up.
Yeah.
All right, so that's how you make Buddha's Delight and have a very, very lucky meal. Thanks so much for joining us. Thanks,
Thank
Maggie.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't miss my other videos with Maggie Zhu. For the Buddha's Delight recipe, please check out Maggie's blog, The Omnivore's Cookbook. And for more details and even more myths about your favorite American Chinese food, please check out my book, Chinese Menu.